guys, it's the Dog Lover, and today we are slime baking. So let's get to it. We will be making cookies. Your tools are a spoon and a small bowl. First, you will need to add some milk. Next, you will need to add whipped cream. Then you need to add in some flour. Next, you will add in some egg whites and a sprinkle of cinnamon. Next, mix until creamy. Now, roll your dough into small balls. After your balls are rolled up, then put them back into the bowl and put the bowl in the oven. So, we will open the handy-dandy oven and put our cookies in and wait for them to bake. 15 minutes later. Okay, let's see how our cookies look. Ooh, very tasty. Now finish off with a topping of cinnamon. Now play with it. You can also make a little cake. Add a little bit of whipped cream and you've got a cake. And you finished your cake and play with it. Thanks for watching our Baker Cake Show. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like and comment what you would like us to do. Make sure to watch, if you haven't already, our other video about making tie-dye slime. Thanks for watching and goodbye.
Good day.